Edo State government don't join hand with one aircraft company to start the assembling of light aircraft for Benin City, wey be the state capital. The governor of Edo State, Senator Gov Okpebholo, in chief of staff Gani Audu, and other top government ogas carry waka go Benin Airport for the flag off of the collabo. The plan go involve assembling of the aircraft and training of Edo people as aircraft mechanics, pilots, and other aviation jobs. The governor later joined the pilot of the light aircraft for one test flight.
So the pilot will be here. He wants to just drive around the taxi, do a taxi. Perfect. So please go in and yeah.
After the flight, Governor Okpebholo come talk say this na welcome development for Edo people, say im don fly the aircraft and e dey very comfortable. Oga Governor come talk say when in the campaign, im promise to bring development come Edo State. This na the start of that promise. E come stay here and say the aviation company don come to set up assembly plant for Edo, where Edo people go learn the skills dem need, and come also here and say im government go support am as part of Presido Bola Tinubu renewed hope agenda to make sure say Edo people benefit. Oga Governor come still talk say belle sweet am, say na in time this kind thing happen, say good things dey follow good people, and e sabi say sake of say im na good person, good things go follow am.
This is a good development for Edo people. I just flew the aircraft, very comfortable. When I was campaigning, you remember what I said, that Edo will build Edo. This is the beginning. It's here, we're going to set up school for our children to learn. It's a huge investment, and by the grace of God, we'll be there. We'll be supporting the company to strive, and we'll make sure that Edo people benefit out of this. This is marvelous. I'm really happy because good thing bring good thing. I'm a good person. We will support them in line with the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President.
The CEO of Oxino Aviation Company, Ehis Odia, come talk say the partnership happens sake of say Governor Okpebholo show vision, foresight, and the right direction for aviation for Edo State. E come talk say Edo State get rich history for aviation, and them don dey work for years to bring aviation back to Edo State. Say the company go set up assembly plant for Benin City for the airport and go start training of mechanics with secondary school and technical school students. Say Edo State go be the first state for Naija wey go dey assembly aircraft, and them go train pilots and also encourage aero clubs for schools.
What you have just experienced today is the beginning of a partnership with our governor, who has demonstrated vision, sight, and forward movement for Edo State in the area of aviation. We have a very rich history of aviation in Edo State. Look at Okada Airlines from many years ago. And for many years, we've been working on reactivating aviation in Edo State. What you just experienced is, this is the Jabiru J430. It's a light aircraft, and we're going to start assembling it here in Benin City. So we're going to build a factory not too far from here in this airport, and we'll start to assemble them. Also, we will begin to work with secondary schools and technical schools to train mechanics, aircraft mechanics. What we've been experiencing so far is that in aviation, we've been dealing with universities. If I want to use the education analogy, you've been talking about universities, but nobody's investing in the primary school. The primary school is general aviation. This is the beginning. This is where it starts. This is going to be the first place in Nigeria where aircraft will be assembled, this Jabiru product. Training, pilots training, aero club, and this aircraft has a lot of functions, a lot you could. We want to remove the thought that aviation is for the rich. It's transportation, and we want to make transportation more effective in Edo State.
The pilot of the plane, Donovan Lombard, tok say the plan na to bring aviation enter country wey no get big industries for am and to make transportation more effective and create new opportunities for the people.
The entire plan that Mr. ES here has been doing is just to bring aviation into a country where, especially general aviation, where there isn't a big industry for it, that hasn't been here. With now bringing it in, it's bringing transportation more efficient to everyone. Because like Sir ES just said here, it's not an expensive thing. People always had a wrong perception, if I can put it that way, that aviation has to be expensive, and it's not. And just to bring it in here and to be able to expand on it, create new jobs, create new opportunities, because that's where every pilot has started their career, is by seeing a plane, flying in one from their young. So it will bring in new pilots, new jobs, and it will just boost the economy beyond compare.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.